Is it time to buy or sell Bright Minds Biosciences stock? In this video, we will explore Bright Minds Biosciences in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. As of October 14th, 2024, our system has classified Bright Minds Biosciences as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has significantly exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 1,445.78% since we initially recommended purchasing Bright Minds Biosciences just 2 days ago. This remarkable performance equates to an average return of 722.89% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next move, as it could take either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $4.58, a point that could present a second opportunity to capitalize. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 320.6% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 86.09% to negative 49.95%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 13.85% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 96.75% and negative 93.02%. This translates to a price range from $1.25 to $2.69 after a year. Our latest daily update for Bright Minds Biosciences includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Bright Minds Biosciences Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, moving between $2.49 and $38.49. The Bright Minds Biosciences Incorporated stock price gained 1,445.78% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024. It rose from $2.49 to $38.49. This marks a continuous increase over the last 4 days. It will be interesting to observe if this upward trend continues or if it takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1,445.78%, reaching a low of $2.49 and a high of $38.49. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3,399.09% over the past 2 weeks. There was also an increase in trading volume on the last day, which, alongside the price rise, is a positive technical indicator. In total, 83 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 98 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.77 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $38.49, while the lowest was 94 cents. The current stock price is now at an all-time high. Bright Minds Biosciences, trading under the symbol DRUG, has recently announced its participation in key upcoming scientific conferences, which underscores its commitment to advancing its neuroscience research. The company is set to present findings on its lead compound, BMB-101, a novel 5-HT2 agonist intended for treating drug-resistant epilepsy and other central nervous system disorders. This participation in events like the Neuroscience 2024 annual meeting could enhance visibility and attract potential investors, signaling confidence in its pipeline. Moreover, the initiation of a Phase 2 clinical trial for BMB-101 marks a significant milestone, as the drug addresses a high unmet need in drug-resistant epilepsy. The announcement of this trial, coupled with discussions featuring epilepsy key opinion leaders, provides further credibility and can generate interest among investors looking for promising biotech ventures. In the short term, these developments may lead to increased stock volatility, driven by speculative trading as investors react to the scientific data and potential market opportunities. In the long term, continued positive clinical results and successful data readouts could solidify the company's position in the market, leading to a potentially significant appreciation in stock value. As Bright Minds advances its clinical programs, sustained investor engagement and positive trial outcomes will likely play crucial roles in shaping the stock's trajectory. Analysts have assigned Bright Minds Biosciences stock a general buy rating. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Bright Minds Biosciences. The stock of Bright Minds Biosciences Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $6.63 and $2.27. A drop below either of these points would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 3,550.42%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 3 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 27 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Bright Minds Biosciences. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is prone to substantial daily fluctuations, and with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $36 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 1,445.78%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 322.10%. Before we explore the potential favorable trading levels for Bright Minds Biosciences, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is currently losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. Nonetheless, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Bright Minds Biosciences. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and use volume to help determine the best time to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.33, reflecting a decline of 3.02%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 99, further elevating the risk factor. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is Bright Minds Biosciences stock a good buy? Bright Minds Biosciences Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these signals sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it may be better viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of October, we anticipate that Bright Minds Biosciences will open down $12 and start trading at $26.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.